With only 2,000 pesos per month, pwede ka nang makover with 114 illnesses forever. The best part, kung hindi mo ito magamit at mag-mature ang plan, ibabalik sa'yo ni Sun Life lahat ng hinulog mo plus its earnings. Pwede kang mag-claim up to 4 times. So kung ma-diagnose ka with a minor critical illness today and a major critical illness in the future, covered ka pa rin at hindi lang siya one-time use. Para ka talaga ditong may lifetime na health backup plan. Best part, syempre, kung hindi mo siya magamit at hindi mo siya kailanganin, on maturity, ibabalik ni Sun Life sa'yo lahat ng hinulog mo. There are 3 ways to earn from this plan. Number 1 is through the dividend, through the bonus, and also the accumulated endowment benefit. Protected ka na, may chance ka pang kumita. Kaya habang malakas ka pa at habang kaya mo pang mag-ipon, this is actually the best time for you to prepare para sa health fund mo. As we go past the retirement years, generally speaking, nagde-decline yung ating cash flow. Kung doon mo palang iisipin magtabi ng para sa health fund mo in the future, chances are, number 1, hindi mo na siya kayang bayaran. Number 2, baka nag-decline na rin yung health mo and hindi ka na rin ma-approve. Kaya ngayon na malakas ka pa, kumikita ka pa, rumaraket ka pa, with only 2,000 pesos a month, pwede mo nang i-start ang lifetime na health plan mo. The good thing is, hindi mo kailangan magbayad for life. If you're interested and want a free quote, you can message your Sun Life financial advisor or me.